Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to show you how to remove and replace the side view mirror on a BMW E65 and E66 as well. Stay with us to see how we are going to do that. First thing, we'll need to remove the door panel. In order to do that, there is a few lids right here, caps that we'll need to remove, and one under the door handle right there. So if you use a small prying tool or even a knife, just careful not to scratch it, you'll be able to get them out. Some of them are really tight if they've never been removed in the past. Okay, you can see this one there, and we did that because we have a few bolts there underneath. And also we'll need to pry that airbag cover off. Okay, you just pull it like that, careful not to break the leather. It is recommended to unhook the battery before you proceed. Okay, now you need a Torx 30 socket or screwdriver, and you need to remove that bolt that's under the airbag right there, under the airbag cover. And okay, it's loose now, but they won't come out. So if you get the small pliers, you can pull it out like that. Okay, you can see what the bolt looks like. And right here, under this cover that we removed, this one and the one right here, we already removed them. It's the same kind of bolt with the T30. So you need to remove all two on the trim right here. One under the door handle and one under the airbag cover right here. So remove altogether 4 bolts. Okay, now you need to get a prying tool or a screwdriver. You can get those really inexpensive on eBay. And there is a few clips, guys, that you need to pry. We'll show you where exactly they're located once we remove the door panel, so you know exactly where to apply pressure and not to break them. Sometimes they will break, no matter how careful you are. If they do, you can find replacements we've purchased on eBay in the past, and they're not very expensive. Okay, now guys, what do we need to do? We need to pull the top side this way. We need to bring it and we need to grab it and pull. And there is a few clips. Okay, those ones right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 altogether that are holding in this rail right here. So most of the doors you have to pull up. This one you have to pull to the side to remove it. And now this is the door panel, guys. And we need to unhook all the wires and the airbag as well. And make sure that you unhook the battery before you proceed, just in case, because that's the airbag right there. You don't want that thing to explode pretty much in your face. Okay, now we need to remove the wire for the module right here. So you need to press down right here, okay, and pull up. It's pretty simple. And after that we will need to unhook the door handle. Okay, and you can just pull the door handle out of here if you don't want to remove it from the door panel. That will be the easiest way to go. And you just pull it to the side there. As you can see, that's how it is. And once you pull the middle part out, guys, it will come right out because it's just like a clip, the way it works. And now we'll need to unhook the airbag in order to remove the whole door panel out of the way. Now for the airbag, you need to pull that cover right here. Okay, you can see, pull this one up. Okay, just like that, and then you can pull the wires, but pull straight, don't wiggle them because you might break them inside. Okay, and the cover right here, the door panel is out of the car, as you can see, and that's where the clips are located if you need to see, guys, so you know where to apply pressure. Alright guys, and once you remove the door panel, now right here, if you pull on this one, there is one clip holding it there. Just be careful not to break it. Okay, just like that, you can see the clip right there. And all we have to do now is just remove these 2 bolts right here. Okay, both of them are with the T30 again. So BMW, they like to use that T30 on the E65, E66 model. So remove these 2 bolts all the way, take them off. And now on the front side of the cover right there under the seal, there is a 3rd bolt that you will need to remove with the same T30 tool. Just take it off all the way. It's very hidden there. You can see exactly where it is located on the door. Alright guys, and once you remove all these 3 bolts and the wire is released, you will be able to pull the mirror out. Okay, like that. There is one rubber seal that you need to work through here. Okay, just like that. And that's how you remove and replace the mirror, guys, on a BMW E65 E66 model. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.